How to transfer money from Cash App to your bank account. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to transfer money from Cash App to your bank account. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app. Once you are there, go and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. From there, scroll down and come to this section named Account and Settings. Under the section, there are more options. From them, tap this one named Linked Banks. Once you tap on it, a page similar to the one you see here appears. From the options that appear here, tap on the one named Link Bank. Once you tap on it, you will land on this page, where you will see a list of banking institutions that you can link to your Cash App account. From the list, look for your banking institution. If you see it, make sure you tap on it. You can also use the search bar to search for the banking institution you use. You then go ahead and connect or link the bank to Cash App by entering your bank login details. Once you have done that, come back to the home page of the app. Next, go to the bottom menu and tap on the bank icon, just like you can see here. Once you do that, you will land on the Money page of Cash App, as you can see. On this page, some options are related to money. From them, make sure you tap on this one here named Withdraw. Once you do that, go ahead and enter the amount you would like to withdraw, and then finalize the process, and the money will be transferred from Cash App to your bank account. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to transfer money from Cash App to your bank account.